Yeah. Now let's start understanding Kinesis streams. Let's say, Tim, this is my Kinesis data stream. Kinesis data stream. Kinesis data stream. Data stream. Let's say, let's say we are configuring streaming source, streaming sources, streaming sources where data is continuously coming, where data is continuously coming. You can configure, or you can write producer application using any technology. Using that, this may connects to streaming source. This may connects to streaming source, and this will write into data Kinesis data streams. If it is log file, you can directly configure this one, or you can use application help. Then application, we call it as producer. That producer can connect to streaming source and writes into data streaming. Okay. Now, here a data stream divided into multiple shades. Shade 1, shade 2, shade 3. In other another streaming technology, we call it as partitions, right? Similar way, in Kinesis data stream, we have a shade. So we can create multiple shades to handle streaming data. Okay. A stream is divided into partitions called shade in Kinesis. A message like partitions in other streaming frameworks. In Kinesis, we have shades. Advantage of Kinesis data streams: message is going to store into shade, right? Message is going to store. The streaming message is going to store into shade, right? The advantage, a message we can replicate into availability zones, multiple availability zones. Let's say you are using this Kinesis in Mumbai region. Let's say you are implementing this Kinesis into Mumbai region. In Mumbai region, we have three availability zones, right? Let's say South Mumbai, South Mumbai, North Mumbai, North Mumbai, and East Mumbai. Then you can replicate this message to three availability zones. By default, it automatically replicates into three availability zones. Same message, presented here, here, here. If anything happens in entire availability zones due to earthquakes, due to natural disasters, anything happen, still we have data from other availability zones. If you want to implement this architecture in existed, you have to do lot of things, manual configurations, many data centers we will take. We have to implement manual things, but the messages are replicated automatically in three availability zones. If one entire availability zone is not available, then still we can access other availability zone. We have one more important feature, cross region. It is little costly, cross region. Let's say one replica you want to maintain in Mumbai, one replica you want to maintain UK, one replica you want to maintain US. called cross region. This is also possible. You can set up as a cross region. Entire Hyderabad, Mumbai is not available. We have data in UK. We have data in US. Such kind of cross region implementation also possible, but it is little costly. Next one. Yeah. Yeah. So here always consumer for Kinesis data stream is Firehose or data analytics. Because if you see previous architecture, Kinesis architecture, Firehose can read data from data stream and writes into target location. Here consumer, we write what? Kinesis Firehose, or you can even write an application to read data from Kinesis data stream. You can write a Java or Python application to read data from this Kinesis data streams, and then you can write it into targets. Once the data written into targets, you can uh, configure uh, downstreams like Power BI or some other tools to utilize that data. And Kinesis data streams are highly available. By default, these are available in 7 days. By default, retention period is 24 hours. We can increase to 7 days. Okay, next one. Let's say message I created here. Message I created here. In other technology, once you read this message, once you read this message, then that message we cannot reread in other messaging systems. But here we can ability to reprocess, replay the same data any number of times. There is a limitation. Yeah. No. So here I updated here one more point. Let me add the point. This is my data stream. Data stream. Let's listen carefully. Already I updated. We can directly configure to source. We can directly configure streaming source. We can directly configure, or we can use Java, Python, etc. kind of technology. You can write an application. You can write the data into Kinesis data stream. Okay. Next one, consumer. Coming to consumer. I already said there is a component, Kinesis Firehose. Kinesis Firehose is a consumer. It reads Kinesis data stream data. It will write into targets. Targets. Okay. Also, we can write Java application, Python application to consume this data stream data and write into targets. Okay. Yeah. So playwright Kinesis data streams and Kinesis message is immutability. Let's say you are writing message, streaming message from here. You cannot delete that one. Once we insert data into Kinesis, 1 minute. Kinesis messages are immutability. Once we insert message into seed, these messages manually we cannot delete. These are immutable based on the retention period, based on the data retention. It may be 24 hours, it may be specified number of days. This messages deletes from Kinesis data streams. Okay, clear, right, team? Kinesis streams.